Coverage now, the so-called Black Swan murder trial. Former ballerina Ashley Benefield is accused of shooting and killing her husband in 2020.
And Tampa Bay's Aduria Chumba is live outside the courthouse in Bradenton tonight. Aduria, the couple's custody battle is at the center of this case. Today, witnesses from both sides described what they knew about that relationship and really what happened before and after the shooting.
That's right, Courtney, and that tension surrounding that custody battle was at the center today. It was a primary focus in court today, with witnesses representing both sides of the case describing what led up to the death of 54-year-old Doug Benefield.
Did she ever go to the firing range or anything?
Yes, we did all the courses to get the concealed carry.
It was Ashley's mother, Alicia Byers, who took the stand first this morning. According to court records, Ashley had moved in with her, alleging Doug Benefield was an abusive husband.
He brought her down. He told me I needed to take care of her. He dropped her off.
The shooting took place at Byers' Lakewood Ranch home moments after she took the couple's 2-year-old child, Emerson, to the park.
I was leaving when he pulled up.
At the time the child was born, did you or Doug know that the child was born?
No, gosh, we didn't know for a good 5 or 6 weeks after she was born.
In court, the Benefields' once whirlwind romance was then described as sorely fractured.
She alleged that he had hit the dog, fired a gun into the ceiling. The biggest allegation was that he was poisoning her and their child in utero with heavy metals.
Sarasota attorney Stephanie Murphy started representing Douglas Benefield when disagreements began over the child.
We had just been in knockdown, drag-out litigation for months with just horrendous allegations that were unfounded, and yet she said, I want to go with you, and he said, okay. I did advise him. I said, this isn't a good idea. She's trying to set you up for something. Don't do this. And he said, I understand. I'm going to go ahead and do it anyway. And so I stayed and observed as Ashley strapped the car seat into the back of the truck, and she got in the truck with Doug.
Murphy testifying her client was preparing for a September 30th divorce hearing before Ashley shot Douglas on the 27th. And tonight, Ashley Benefield, that is facing 25 years to life in prison if convicted. Now, she has always maintained that her estranged husband, Douglas, was aggressive that day when she shot and killed him and therefore was justified, and she's claiming self-defense. Now, it is not clear yet when Ashley or if Ashley Benefield will testify, but this trial is expected to last 3 weeks. Live in Bradenton, Aduria Chumba, 10 Tampa Bay.